Let's learn English through short conversations with vocabulary and listening questions. Today, we are listening to Jenna's journey to watch a movie.
Finding a new movie. Mom, did you see the trailer for the new action movie? It stars a famous actor I really like.
Yes, I saw it. The stunts look amazing.
The special effects also look great. I think it will be really exciting.
Oh my, you really love this movie, don't you?
I was thinking we could go watch it together this weekend. Pretty please?
I would love to go with you, my dear, but I'll be traveling this weekend for a business trip.
Oh, that's too bad. I really wanted to watch it with you.
Maybe next time, honey, you can call one of your girls.
Thanks, Mom. I'll call Olivia and ask if she wants to go with me.
Good idea. I'm sure Olivia will enjoy it too.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Trailer. A short preview of a movie. Action movie. A film with exciting scenes, like fighting or chases. Stunts. Dangerous or exciting moves performed by actors. Your listening question is: who will Jenna ask to go watch the movie with her? Answer: she will ask Olivia. Choosing a movie.
Jenna, what kind of movie do you want to watch this weekend?
I'm thinking about the new action movie. My favorite actor is in there.
I was hoping to watch a romantic movie this time. I like sweet stories.
I like romantic movies too, but I really want some adventure and action now.
You just want it because of that handsome actor, don't you?
Hey, I heard it has great reviews.
Haha, don't worry. I want to see a new movie as well. I trust your choice, Jenna.
Thanks, Olivia. I think we'll both enjoy it.
Definitely. Can't wait for the weekend.
Me neither. It will be fun. Let's look at the vocabulary. Adventure. An exciting or unusual experience, often involving exploration or risk. Review. An opinion or report about a movie, book, or product, usually to help others decide if it's good. Exciting. Making you feel happy and interested. Your listening question is: what kind of movie do Jenna and Olivia decide to watch? Answer: they decide to watch an action movie. Talking about buying movie tickets online.
Jenna, let's buy our movie tickets online. It's easier and faster.
Good idea. What do we need to do first?
First, we need to create an account on the cinema's website. Just enter your email and make a password.
Okay, I've done that. What next?
Then, choose the movie and check the available showtimes.
I see the movie we want. Which day should we pick?
Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Friday I work part-time, so I can't.
I'm free on Friday but I work on Saturday.
On Sunday, I have a party, so I can come but I will be late.
How about I go early and you come later?
Sounds good. Let's pick Sunday then.
Okay. Can we choose our seats online?
No. We have to pick and buy popcorn at the cinema.
Alright, I'll come early and save our seats.
Perfect. I'll meet you there later.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Showtime. The time when a movie starts in the cinema. Part-time. Working only some hours, not full-time. Seat. A place to sit, especially in a cinema or theater. Your listening question is: why does Jenna plan to come early to the cinema? Answer: because Olivia will come later and Jenna will save their seats. Choosing seats and popcorn at the cinema. Hi, I already bought my ticket online. Can I choose my seat now?
Hello, Miss Jenna. Yes, you can choose your seat here. We have seats available in the front, middle, and back rows.
How much is a ticket for the middle row?
It's $12 for the middle row seats.
Great. I'll take 2 seats, next to each other, in the middle row. These 2, please.
Good choice. Would you like some popcorn? We have small, medium, and large sizes.
What size do you recommend?
The medium size is popular for one person, but if you're very hungry, the large is better.
I'll take a medium popcorn, please. Caramel flavor.
Perfect. Your total is $17. Here's your seat number and popcorn. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you. Let's look at the vocabulary. Ticket. A pass that allows entry to watch a movie. Popcorn. A popular salty snack made from corn kernels. Recommend. To suggest something is good or suitable. Your listening question is: where does Jenna choose to sit in the cinema? Answer: she chooses 2 seats in the middle row. Before the movie starts. Girl, I'm so excited. The story looks really interesting.
Me too. I heard it has a lot of surprises and action scenes.
Yes, and the main character seems very brave and smart.
And handsome too.
Stop teasing me. Anyway, I am worried about the ending. The trailer made it look really emotional.
I think it's nice that the movie has both action and feelings.
I agree. Let's enjoy it quietly so we don't disturb others.
Yes, good idea. Shh. Everyone needs to be quiet now.
Yes. Remember to turn off your phone. Time to focus on the movie. Let's look at the vocabulary. Brave. Showing courage and not afraid. Emotional. Making you feel strong feelings. disturb. To interrupt or bother someone. Your listening question is: what do Jenna and Olivia remind others to do before the movie starts? Answer: they remind others to be quiet. After watching, that movie was really exciting. The actors did a great job.
I agree. The lead actor was very convincing and the actress was amazing too.
The story had some surprising moments I didn't expect.
Yes, and the special effects made the action scenes even better.
I liked how the characters worked together. It felt very real.
Me too. The movie was much better than I thought.
When should we watch another movie together?
How about next weekend? We can find a new release.
Sounds good. I'll check for upcoming movies.
Perfect. I'm looking forward to it.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Convincing. Making you believe that something is true or real. Surprising. Something unexpected. Upcoming. Something that will happen soon, approaching in the near future. Your listening question is: what do Jenna and Olivia plan to do next weekend? Answer: they plan to watch a new movie together next weekend.
What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.